It was a travel industry. The industry was travel industry, which was going to implement some AI use travel industry. Like the term for SEO, we selected the term AI powered travel agency. So everything was working as per the plan. There were multiple companies together working on one project. So the finding was that, as per the plan, there was one major issue which we faced in the month 2 deliverables. Like there was zero visibility for the website which we are working for SEO, organic visibility. So strategic thinking, the WH framework and the fact book and multiple modules that we learned in the strategic thinking course helped me to find out that the major issue was missing, that was site navigation, which was very important for a site to get crawled, for Google crawlers to find out the site and indexed it. The strategic thinking course helped me to find that out, and also it helped me to present it, collect the fact and present it to the client and my bosses. And it made a very impactful decision. They actually paused and rebuilt the site, like took other ways to implement the navigation.
Recent one. I was asked by my director that some people are visiting, and I am responsible for the procurement. So we have to procure for bill of material, and this is so urgent. We are on emergency procurement, and this had to happen 10th of January. The visitors are coming, and this happened just last week. Now the entire bill of material had components and different critical items which have a lead time of maybe 10 weeks and 20 weeks, and on the face of it, it looked impossible, right? So the entire team was, this is not happening, this is just something people are sharing. So on a general day, I would have just bought everything from the project, from the procurement, and given it back to her that, oh, this is not possible. But because of this insight and the course, I said, okay, let me look at this differently. What can be done? And I looked at the entire team. I connected with the right people from across the world, and found out by sitting with the project head and the team that maybe 40% of the bill of material, if executed by end of December, we could achieve the target that we wanted. You can show, you can put something on the table. And that was so impactful, and people really started moving towards it, and now I'm on the way to achieving it. Not that I have, but yes, now today I'm not saying, oh no, this is not possible, So that is a big difference, and this has happened only because of the way of thinking, that shift, that mindset shift that has happened because of the course. So thank you so much.
As I'm doing the transition into the UI UX design, so first I would a bit stress to how to make an proper approach for this, as there are so many topics and so many laws to focus on. So through this thinking, I have break down the problems, and I'm focusing on one by one section like the UI and UX. So this helps me to get a better clear picture on what I'm doing.